we are going to be working with the principles of form and design. This is the first of a two-part assignment. We will call this A. The grid, modular grid, ratio, the golden ratio, rule of thirds, hierarchy with weight and scale, hierarchy and typography with weight and scale, hierarchy with color and contrast, hierarchy with shape and contrast. That is what we are working with in the principles of form and design. We are working with analyzing sensory information as far as artistic perception, historical and cultural context. So you will understand the historical context of some of the principles of form and design because they are historical. You will connect and apply what is learned in the visual arts to other art forms and subject areas, connections, relationships, and applications. Psychology, yes, how people perceive things. Now, we will master the concept of the elements of art, line, shape, form, color, value, texture, space. Students will understand the principles of form and design and use the colors of red, orange, yellow, blue, green, indigo, and violet to represent the concepts of the grid, modular grid, the golden ratio, rule of thirds, hierarchy with weight and scale, hierarchy in typography with weight and scale, hierarchy with color and contrast, hierarchy with shape and contrast. The Gestalt principles of grouping, proximity -A and proximity -B, similarity, continuity, closure, area, and symmetry. Now, we have this thing, it's called the golden rectangle. This is one of the concepts, and we'll be going over this in future assignments as well. The golden rectangle, which means the side lengths are in a golden ratio. If you take away that square on the left, another rectangle will remain, which is in a golden ratio. This could continue indefinitely. There is some kind of peacefulness and beauty in infinite numbers, which is possibly why the golden ratio is so popular in design. And we'll get into the golden ratio in the future as well. Now, these are the directions for the assignment, but I want to show you what we're working with before. Okay? You will have rectangles within rectangles. Now, your work that you do will look similar to this. This will be turned into a rectangle. This is a square, but you're going to elongate it. Okay, these are rectangular, but we're going to get there. And these are the forms that you're going to do. This is the first 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 required on the first page. This is for part B. You're not doing this today. This is for part B. There'll be a video for part B. You can use a card, a debit card, some sort of card that you have, okay? You will draw the rectangle inside your rectangle with this card. Make all lines necessary for the assignment using the straight edge of the card. You will recreate the rectangular boxes below and fill them with the correct colors indicated in this example. So, you take your card and you place it on the paper. And you then will take your pencil and draw the outside perimeter of that, okay, the outside line on that. And you will have something that looks like the outside of your card. Okay, and you're going to do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I have to come over here, but bring that over there. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's what you're going to do. And you will be delicate in your use of color, and you're going to be playing around with color and having fun with that. Here is your rubric. Okay. Poor. Student does not demonstrate an understanding of visual order or when one visual element over another should be emphasized for its importance or effect. If you do this assignment as it is, exactly as it is, you will not be poor. You will be excellent. Student unifies all all visual elements within a specified format with good taste and strong design sensibilities, and emphasizes key elements over others for effective and dynamic visual communication. Yes, that means you copy exactly what I have produced, and then of course you will be excellent. You are excellent. Okay? When you are finished with your assignment, you will have actually one page. You're going to name your file PFD. Okay, last name, first name, PFD. Principles, Form, Design. Principles of Form and Design, 1 Jones Jill PFD. Okay, don't download as a PDF and submit the assignment to your classes, Schoology. Assignment value 1 point. Okay, so you want to create a little box where all of your stuff is going to go in here, and I'm using this card. Many of you have little cards you get, for Starbucks or something like that. You can use this. It's the size of a credit card. And you're going to go and make these in every one of your boxes. Okay? Okay. You're going to make all of these boxes blue, and you're going to make the outside area orange. Okay, I'm making orange now. Okay, so I mix a little yellow with my red, put a little more yellow with my red, and now I'm getting an orange color. I'm getting orange. I need a little more yellow, a little bit more yellow here, a little more orange here. Okay, now I'm going to fill in all these spaces with the orange. Okay, that one's done. Using this as your guide, you can do this one rather quickly. I take my thing over here. I already have made this already, right? So I know what I'm doing, right? Same one over there. Right? And I do this one, right? And then I have this line here. I'm supposed to put a little line in between here. I'm going to put a line in between there and a line in between there. There you go. Okay, and the same thing goes for this. Okay, and now we're going to put some we're going to put some orange in here. In the Veronese, there was a kind of a crimson purple color, and there was orange next to it. Yes, in that composition. And so you start seeing what happens when you put orange next to a violet, right? Violet's